Now tell me about your ride. Nice car. Wait, don't like stock headlights? No problem, I change for you. How about these A-style LED projectors? Try them on. There, your ride will never look the same with these on it. So who am I? Well, I'm not just one person. I'm a corporation that thrives for the best service in the auto parts industry. But if you need a name to Google me, you can type this.
You are now viewing a video guide for a 2007 to 2008 Toyota Camry projector headlight. These are the tools that we recommend you to use for the installation. Let's begin by popping up the hood. Underneath the front bumper, you will find 6 10mm bolts that we should remove. Please be sure to keep these bolts in a safe place. We don't want to lose these. Right behind the front bumper, you want to remove this plastic clip that is holding the wheel well cover into place. Please remove the plastic cover like you see in the video. Now between the front bumper and the fender, there is a Phillips head screw that is holding these two together. Please remove this and repeat on the other side. At the top of the front bumper, there are 2 plastic clips indicated by the yellow arrows that we need to remove. Then there are 2 Phillips head screws indicated by the red arrows that we also need to remove. Lastly, we have one 10mm bolt that we need to remove in the center of the front bumper as shown in the video. Once again, please keep these plastic clips and screws in a safe place. Now what you want to do is separate the front bumper from the vehicle and set it down where it will not get damaged. Near the corner of the headlight, there is a 10mm bolt to remove from the bracket. Then at the top of the headlight, there is 2 10mm bolts to remove as well. You're now ready to remove the headlight from its placement. And from this point, let's start removing the headlight harnesses, starting with the turn signal bulb, the high beam bulb, and the low beam bulb. After disconnecting the headlight harnesses from the original headlight assembly, you want to grab your new headlight and start putting everything back in together in its proper place. And you want to double check that the connections are secure and that the headlights are properly functioning before putting everything back together. So start bolting everything back together in a reverse process method and you're good to go. Thank you for watching Specdtuning's installation video guide.
Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.